Hi there, this is going to be a very quick unboxing of the Lookfantastic July beauty subscription box. I am going away tomorrow and I've had a large delivery of beauty boxes. Came about half an hour ago and it's now 8 o'clock. All my camera equipment is all packed away. So I thought, well, I'm not going to be home for the next 2 or 3 weeks. My son and his friends will be here, but obviously they can't do the unboxings for me. So this is just a quick look just to share with you, so that I am sharing something with you just to show you what's inside. But this box is kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for sharing with you. You'll find details down below in my description, like links, discount codes and things like that. So check out there if you're interested. But let's get on to showing you what's inside the July edition. But first up, have we got a sneak peek next month. Oh, brilliant. Medicate. I love Medicate. We've got a B5 Intense worth £15. So in every August box, we'll receive that. Okay. Right. Show you the sneak peek from last month, which is the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Powder. It's a loose powder. I love By Terry and I love this range. It is amazing. I've got the pressed powder, which I'm actually taking on holiday with me. I've got the full-size version of this powder and I've got a tinted version of this powder as well. They're just amazing products. It feels really strange. It feels cold and a bit wet when you apply it, but it's not. It's just really strange, but it is such a great product. So that was our sneak peek from last month. Then we have got here a Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, normal to dry sensitive skin, and there's 29 mils here. Then we've got a Replenishing Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide by Mind, Tan and Body and Skin, and we've got 50 mils here. That would have been nice to pop in my bag actually after a day being in the sun. Have this in the fridge ready to apply. Okay, next we have got a Intense Mega Moisturizer by Mayo Future Proof Body Butter, and there's 30 mils here. Oh, Intense Mega Moisture. There's that. What's this? This is Foamy Shower Body Bar on a rope, which is really cool. 100% plastic free and papaya and oat milk. And there's 80 grams here. These are really cool. I'll open it up and show you. It smells absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it is such a gorgeous scent. Papaya, it is beautiful. So yeah, it's like a little massager then as well. So there's that. And then lastly, we've got this big tub of Scalp and Scrub, an exfoliating anti-dandruff treatment. It clears and soothes dry, flaky scalps, 97% natural. And how big is this? This is 200 mils here. Let's open it up. I've just had a sniff and it is absolutely gorgeous. Well, I don't suffer from dandruff, but it'd be just nice as a hair scalp scrub. But oh, it just smells beautiful. I can't tell you what it is, but it's fruity. Yeah, I don't know. It looks good, doesn't it? So there you go. So those are all the products inside this month's Lookfantastic beauty box. We've got a scalp anti-dandruff hair scrub. We've got a Foamy shower body bar. We've got a Mind, Tan, Body, Skin, a moisturising after sun. We've got a Mayo body butter. We've got a Cetaphil cleanser, gentle skin cleanser. And lastly, we've got a hyaluronic hydra powder from By Terry. You'll find all details down below in my description, but I'd love to hear what you think. Are you a subscriber? What do you think of the contents this month? Or are you wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye.